Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse tool for professional chainsaw users, the NEO-TEC 28-inch laminated chainsaw guide bar saw chain combo. If you're in the market for the best 30-inch chainsaw bar, you've come to the right place. This chainsaw bar and chain combo sets itself apart with its robust build and precision engineering. Designed with a 28-inch bar length and a 3/8 pitch, it's ideal for tackling the toughest cutting jobs with ease. Whether you're cutting through dense woods or felling trees, the NEO-TEC bar and chain combo delivers exceptional performance. Its full chisel chain ensures clean and efficient cuts, making it a favorite among professionals who demand reliability. Featuring a replaceable sprocket nose design, it's engineered for durability and easy maintenance in the field. This design ensures stability and longevity, even under demanding conditions. Compatible with a wide range of chainsaws including models from Husqvarna, Echo, Shindaiwa, and more, it's versatile and adaptable to various professional setups. With a solid body construction and low vibration design, it enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a serious DIY enthusiast, the NEO-TEC 28-inch laminated chainsaw guide bar saw chain combo is built to exceed expectations. That wraps up our review of the NEO-TEC 28-inch laminated chainsaw guide bar saw chain combo. If you're looking to elevate your cutting game, click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy cutting!